Hello everyone. Today we're doing a sound test, not a review, but a sound test of the big Jambox by Jawbone. This is the graphite version. This is the best Bluetooth speaker I've ever owned in terms of highs, lows, and the bass. And for it's just pure volume. So I'm gonna put it back on the ground. This is in a hallway. Works best in hallways, I find. If you're in like a bathroom or something like that, the sound just gets like crammed together. It sounds really, really stupid, and it sounds really bad. I'm gonna doing this test on Bluetooth with my iPad, and I'm gonna play I'm gonna play a pretty basic song. I'm just gonna. So we're about down the hallway, probably about 15-20 feet. So I'm gonna turn on at a quarter volume right now. So this is gonna be a quarter volume right now. Half volume. And 3/4 volume. I also do full volume for 3 seconds because it gets really loud. So like full volume for like 4 seconds or 5 seconds. So as you can see there, it can replace a small stereo system or even a shelf speaker system. So it has the highs, lows, and also the bass speaker built into it. It's also Bluetooth, and then you can hook your phone up to it. Thank you guys for watching. This has been a quick sound test of the big Jambox by Jawbone. If you guys have any questions, you can leave a comment down below or go on my website at www.techreviewer.ca. Like if you liked it, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful day.